Good morning here, Taybug here for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade toothpaste. Sorry for the lip rambling on, but I had to do a voiceover because my audio was not at the right sync. So here I go. So I'm going to do the measurements how I go with this, and I'm going to tweak it how I want, but you can do however much you think is right. But this is how I did it at first. I'm going to need a 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into the jar or mix thing. I'm going to melt this in the microwave for 30 seconds, and this is how it looks. And next I'm going to take a teaspoon of baking soda and put it in the mix as well. And this is going to help clean your teeth, because with the coconut oil and the baking soda, it just acts like a cleaning agent and it gets your teeth really clean. Next, I'm going to take 1 drop of these essential oil, and this is going to act as a cleaning agent. And then I'm going to put 2 drops of orange essential oil. Now this is going to help, it taste better and not taste all spicy and everything. If you don't like peppermint tasting toothpaste, this will help out with that. And this is also a fun way to clean your teeth, so you don't have to always dread cleaning your teeth all the time. This is just an extra way of having a little fun with it. Alright people, so I have got my mixture. And I might do this a little bit differently than some people do, but it still gives the same effect, I guess. I really want to get the gums line. I mean, I want to get my teeth too, but I really want to get my gum line because it got really bad. I had really bad gingivitis. So I'm going to take this mixture, and what I like to do is I like to do this. I just go right in here. I just go all the way around my gums, inside and out. Actually helps make the teeth feel comfortable. I mean, it tastes weird. But you get it open. And then, I'm done like that. This is a process, by the way. I'm going to take some hydrogen peroxide, and I'm going to do the same thing. Hydrogen peroxide helps get rid of all those nasty infection. Have I saved that yet? I got to. I really get something. Sometimes I do coconut oil pulling, which is basically just swashing around coconut oil in your mouth for like 10 minutes. It really gets the job done too. Okay. Third step, if you're actually going to brush your teeth. So, I wash my toothbrush. I'm going to actually brush my teeth with the same mixture, the coconut oil mixture. And then, fourth and final step. Rinse. Rinse all that gunk out. Ta-da! Okay. You can't see much difference, but let me tell you, the feeling is worth it. With the coconut oil and the baking soda, I feel that my teeth are a lot cleaner than what they were with just the, if you use store-bought stuff, you know, they got the chemicals in it and everything. Now just use coconut oil and baking soda. It's literally all you need, and it will make your mouth feel nice and fresh and clean. Oh, so satisfying. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. Please comment down below what's your favorite way to clean your teeth. If you have any cool, unique ways. If not, that's fine, that's cool. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys, love ya.